ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, represents a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. It's an advanced language model based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. In this video exploration, we'll delve into the origins of ChatGPT, its architecture, applications, ethical considerations, and the broader implications it holds for the future of human-AI interaction. Origins and evolution. OpenAI's mission. OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to advancing AI in a safe and beneficial manner, introduced the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer series. The mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. GPT 3.5 architecture. ChatGPT is built on the GPT 3.5 architecture, an evolution of its predecessors. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is known for its massive scale, featuring 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. Training process. GPT-3 undergoes pre-training on a diverse range of internet text, acquiring a broad understanding of language. Fine-tuning can then be performed on specific tasks to customize the model for various applications. Architecture and functionality. Transformer architecture. ChatGPT employs a transformer architecture introduced by Vaswani et al. In the paper, Attention is All You Need. This architecture revolutionized NLP by using self-attention mechanisms, allowing the model to consider different parts of the input sequence when making predictions. Tokenization and attention mechanism. Text input is tokenized into chunks, and attention mechanisms enable the model to weigh the importance of each token, capturing context and relationships within the text. Contextual understanding. One key strength of GPT 3.5 is its ability to generate contextually relevant responses. It understands context from preceding parts of the conversation, providing more coherent and context-aware replies. Generative nature. ChatGPT is generative, meaning it can create original text based on the input it receives. This feature allows for diverse applications, from answering questions to creative writing. Applications and use cases. Natural language understanding. ChatGPT demonstrates a high level of natural language understanding, making it suitable for tasks like language translation, summarization, and sentiment analysis. Content creation. Content generation is a notable application. ChatGPT can assist in writing articles, stories, and even code snippets, showcasing its versatility in creative and technical domains. Conversational interfaces. ChatGPT is adept at engaging in conversations. It can be integrated into chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support systems, enhancing the quality of human-computer interactions. Educational tools. ChatGPT has potential in educational settings. It can aid in answering queries, providing explanations, and even acting as a tutor in certain subjects. Creative writing and storytelling. The model's ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text makes it a valuable tool for creative writing and storytelling. Authors and content creators can leverage ChatGPT for ideation and inspiration. Ethical considerations. Bias and fairness. One critical aspect is addressing biases present in the training data. If the model is exposed to biased information, it may inadvertently generate biased outputs. Ensuring fairness and mitigating biases in AI systems is an ongoing challenge. Misuse and ethical guidelines. OpenAI has implemented usage guidelines to prevent the malicious use of ChatGPT. This includes restrictions on generating harmful content, engaging in illegal activities, or impersonating specific individuals. Transparency and explainability. AI systems, including ChatGPT, are often criticized for their lack of transparency. Enhancing explainability and making the decision-making process of the model more understandable remains a focus area. Human AI collaboration. OpenAI emphasizes the importance of human AI collaboration. While AI systems like ChatGPT can assist and augment human capabilities, they should not replace critical decision-making processes. Continuous improvement. OpenAI actively seeks feedback on system outputs, especially in uncovering risks and potential biases. This iterative feedback loop is crucial for refining the model and addressing emerging ethical concerns. Future implications. Enhanced human AI collaboration. As AI models continue to advance, the future holds the promise of more seamless and effective collaboration between humans and AI. This collaboration can span various domains, from content creation to problem solving. Ethical AI development. The development of AI models with a heightened focus on ethical considerations is imperative. Striking the right balance between innovation and responsible AI usage will shape the ethical landscape of future AI technologies. Customization and personalization. Future AI models might allow greater customization to align with individual user preferences. This could lead to more personalized and tailored AI interactions, improving user satisfaction. Integration into everyday life. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, their integration into daily life is likely to increase. From smart assistants to AI-driven applications, the pervasive presence of AI could redefine how individuals interact with technology. Addressing limitations. AI models, including ChatGPT, have limitations. Future developments may focus on addressing these limitations, such as the model's occasional generation of incorrect or nonsensical answers. Limitations and challenges. Contextual understanding constraints. While ChatGPT excels in contextual understanding, it may sometimes exhibit limitations in maintaining context over long conversations. It might lose track of the overall conversation flow, leading to less coherent responses. Sensitivity to input phrasing. The model's responses can be sensitive to slight changes in input phrasing. Small modifications in how a question is posed might elicit different responses, showcasing the intricacies of language model behavior. Lack of true understanding. Despite its contextual understanding, ChatGPT lacks true comprehension or consciousness. It doesn't possess a deep understanding of concepts and relies on patterns learned from training data. Potential for misinformation. The model's generative nature poses the risk of inadvertently generating misinformation. Users must critically evaluate information generated by ChatGPT and recognize its limitations. Striking a balance. There's an ongoing challenge in striking the right balance between refining AI models for more specific tasks and maintaining their generalization capabilities. Specialization might enhance performance in certain domains, but could compromise versatility. Conclusion. ChatGPT represents a remarkable achievement in the realm of natural language processing and AI. Its applications span a wide range of domains, from content creation to educational tools and conversational interfaces. The ethical considerations surrounding AI, especially in terms of bias and misuse, highlight the need for responsible development and usage. As AI technologies continue to advance, the future holds both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical considerations will be crucial in shaping the trajectory of AI development. Ongoing research, feedback, and iterative improvements are essential to address the limitations and challenges associated with AI models like ChatGPT. OpenAI's commitment to transparency, ethical guidelines, and human AI collaboration sets a precedent for responsible AI development. While the journey towards more advanced AI systems continues, a thoughtful and cautious approach ensures that the benefits of AI can be harnessed for the greater good of humanity.